ChatGPT is an amazing tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks. From answering questions to generating text, it's a game changer. And the best part? It has a generous free tier with unlimited GPT 3.5 and rate limits. Claude is another powerful tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks. From email writing to content creation, it's a great resource. And the best part? It has a generous free tier with unlimited messages and rate limits. Midjourney is a powerful tool that can help you with a wide range of creative tasks. From graphic design to video editing, it's a great resource. However, it's a paid tool starting at $10 per month. Canva AI is a great tool for graphic design and other creative tasks. And the best part? It has a free tier with limited AI features. Perplexity is a powerful tool for research and other tasks. And the best part? It has a generous free tier with unlimited searches and limited pro features. Which tool will you try first? Comment below with the name of the tool you're most excited to try. In this video, we covered ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Canva AI, and Perplexity. Each tool has its unique features and use cases. By using these tools, you can save time and money and become more productive. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about AI tools and how to use them to save time and money, be sure to subscribe to our channel for daily videos.